Welcome to Serp Empire. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to activate the keywords auto-discovery mode for your campaign. To begin, you need to click the Create a New Campaign button. Next, input the desired name and your website's domain. Once done, hit the Create button. As the next step of your campaign creation, you will need to add the countries that you would like to target by clicking the Add a Country button. You may repeat this step multiple times to add several countries. In the next step, specify the country and region you wish to target with your campaign. Please make sure to leave the Automatically Retrieve My Top 50 Keywords option disabled. Once ready, please click the Add a New Country button. Once on the Keywords page, click the Switch to Keywords Auto-Discovery button. We'll prompt you to enter the email address linked to your Google Search Console and choose the relevant domain from the drop-down menu. Don't worry, this process is absolutely safe. By selecting the View Search Console data, you just allow us to view the keywords your website ranks for. Once the correct Google account is selected, the domains linked to it should appear in the Property drop-down. Please select the correct one and hit Confirm. Once completed, the magic unfolds. In a matter of seconds, you'll have a flawless CTR manipulation campaign ready to kickstart your success. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to reach out. Our dedicated support team is always here to lend a helping hand whenever you need it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.